is the CA course structure made of, or how many levels are there in CA? If you ask, we are going to see the answer in this video, right? So CA qualification is made up of 3 levels, of examination. So a student typically has to clear 3 levels to finish this course. That is, first level is called as CA Foundation exam. Second level is known as CA Intermediate exam. Third level is called as CA Final exam. Right? These are the 3 levels. Added to this examination, a student also needs to do the following other three things. That is, he has to undergo 3 years of articleship, or we call it as practical training, right? If you want more details about this practical training, we'll be seeing this in the later video. Let me move on to the second. 15 days of ICITSS, or 15 days of advanced ICITSS, right? These are workshops organized by ICAI, right? So you need to clear all these 3 levels, as well as you need to undergo 3 years of articleship, and as well as 30 days of some workshop training organized by ICAI, right? This is the course structure of CA.